Solo na si Kisses.
Ay, naku.
Everything.
I never go
I have a guess already.
away from you.
Pero parang hindi.
Even this cry will tell you that I need you so. This is all I know. I never go far away from you.
Yeah.
Si Police, may hinala na?
Yes.
Or you want to
Hinala
say
pa
it?
lang.
Or you're sure about it?
Yeah, see my
This is
voice?
getting boring.
I drank cold water, so.
Ha? Oh, sige, may hinala na daw si Police.
Edward.
Ha?
No.
Namatay siya kanina.
Alam mo sino?
My eyes are like
Sino?
Siyang din si
My eyes are like
Pero
movies.
siyang healer. If you choose me as the police, we're gonna have...
Hindi kasi hindi mo makikita na nag-blink siya kasi singkit. Pwede kasi. Kasi magtatayak.
Okay, sinong healer?
Me.
Healer.
Ang galing niya mag-gano'n. Parang hindi kita dito. Ito. Kasi nga alam niya yung killer. Sige, go! The city sleeps. Yung...
Mamaya.
Wait lang.
Ito ka dyan.
Yun yung
Para
akin.
makita.
Sige na, the city sleeps like right now. Sleeping pills. Hindi kumakanta si President. President!
Bayang mali. Mali ito.
Bayang mali.
Huwag yan.
You and I could be like the sunny and the share, the honey, the bells of who. 'Cause you and I could be like a land in its jasmine. Let's make it happen. La 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 la.
City awaken.
Hey, it's been 5 years since I special day.
Good luck, please. You're looking at me like... Di malibang sa kuha.
I'm dead.
Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby?
Remember days
I remember the days.
when you were with me. You have to something wish come for me.
I'm dead.
1, 2, 1.
I'm alive again.
Ang cute. I'm alive.
Ay, namatay ka ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ko narinig sinabi. Alive again. Good luck nga naman.
Oh.
I'm dead. Oh, wala na yung ano ko.
What?
Yay!
Wait, who is the killer, guys?
I'm the killer.
She's the killer. No, she did.
You're the police, Beshi!
I was wrong? Yeah, police ka na.
Because you're the...
Sa akin ka. Patay na. Nag-blink ka sa kanya. Killer. Oo, siya yung
Oo,
healer.
siya yung
Ikaw
healer.
eh.
It's
I
cute.
believe in kisses. Siya yung healer.
I healed 3 people, man. I'm like,
Kita, ganyan.
He said like this.
sorry, that's my
He did like this. Sira yung isang mata niya. Saka yung isang turnilyo, kaya mas mabigat yung paghulog ng kabila.
Yeah, sorry, that's my delayed eye blinking.
Hindi kasi
thing,
siguro
sorry.
diba saya nung game, nakakalito talaga. Nakakalito, okay. Kasi sabi ko, bakit nag-blink sa akin to? Oh, shoot. Okay, so, ikaw dati yung police.
Kisses will be the president. As he haven't said.
As you walk on by,
I call the healer.
do you call my name?
Towards the dragon.
I said, hey, na 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 na. I'm loving you tonight, doing everything tonight. Okay, the city
Awakens. We might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight. Up, 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 po, po,
Find
po.
somebody sexy, tell it.
Hey, looks in the mirror.
Ulit. Sa police.
Police ears, shoulder is the healer, head is the killer. Tama na. Ano mo, Besh?
Siya naman kumalabit.
Kaya kahit naman mali yung
Okay lang.
Kahit mali yung iniisip niya.
I'm dead.
Ich bin tot. I'm dead.
Wala na.
I love being dead. It's fun.
This is my police. This.
sabi ko sa kanya,
Siyang
kill agad.
Mabilis.
Mabilis.
Kung nakatingin sa'yo lahat.
Sayang di.
Kumiyak.
Yung naulan na.
Signal number 1 na yan yung. You're gonna miss
Sige na.
me. The city's awakened. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the...
Wait, I messed up. I blinked and I wasn't.
Okay, never mind. He's still alive.
Alive. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I'm dead. You're gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, I'm sure you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Lucky ka.
Lucky.
So,
Lucky ka.
Lucky.
yes,
Oh my God!
stay at the
Ayan.
boys' bedroom. And wala muna lang pag walang sinabi si Kuya.
Oh my God, ayusin to. Lahat boys bedroom?
Yep. Everyone.
Okay, good
Ay,
night.
tama nga, panic room.
Yun na nga. Na.
Oh no, wait, please, wag muna, please.
Mga brief niya, ayusin niyo na.
Hey, I clean my bed. I'm good. I'm clean.
Wala kang brief?
See, as you can see,
Doon sa loob eh.
I'm so unlucky.
Ito yung gusto ko.
What's your perfume?
Plumper na.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Mas maganda to ganito malaki.
You're gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss me every... So, lagi sa'yo. Guys, this should be on the pool.
May
Sabihin mo kay
bawal
Gwen.
namin.
Moving of
No, I mean something like this on the pool. Wow.
On the float.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Dito tayo magkano?
Walang gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss me. So, babasahin. I'm gonna read our task.
My God.
Lucky task.
Malamang.
Yeah, obviously. Housemates. Ba't maganda si Mayron? Para sa inyong 5th lucky task, kailangan ninyong magtayo ng isang salon business. Ha? Wow. Salon?
Kaya tayo hindi mag-haircut!
Kailangan ninyong matutunan at mabigay ang mga salon services na there are 5. 1. Hairstyling. 2. Foot and hand spa. Massage included. 3.
Yung.
Makeup. 4. Hot oil or hair spa. 5. Cleaning, manicure, or pedicure.
Haircut.
And or
Haircut.
pedicure.
Makeup.
Oh my God!
Yo, my name is Barbara.
No,
Okay, you
let me
leave the
finish.
haircut to me, man.
Para magwagi sa inyong 5th lucky task, kailangan ninyong makalikom ng 20,000 pesos na kita mula sa inyong salon business na magbubukas sa takdang panahon. Kayo rin ang mag-iisip kung papaano manghihikayat ng mga tao para pumunta sa
Okay, boys, barbers, tayong tatlo.
So,
I know
yeah.
how to cut hair.
Me too.
Oh, no.
But
I'm
if we're
massage
gonna have a
people.
business and it's salon,
Yeah.
we'll be the ones who's
Pedicure,
manicure,
Tayong tatlo barbers.
and we have to get 20,000.
20,000.
Sinong stylist
So,
I'm gonna be like
anything, wait.
Massage lang,
We
massage.
have a salon.
We will have a salon
Where?
business.
Kasi
Maybe
walang
in the
ibang
beauty
alam.
area or
Pero,
depends.
Maybe outside.
Para sa new board.
maybe.
Guys.
Makinig.
the planning.
Okay, planning.
No, I was kidding. I can't cut
Don't,
hair. I can't cut hair.
Don't
So,
just,
like,
I mean, you can sit, but
But like, maybe I can like give him my phone number and maybe
I can cut a hair.
Me too. Just kidding.
Hairstyling was a science.
Oh, I'll do the wax. I can do wax.
Hairstyling, I can do the cutting.
I can do the styling with wax.
Of girls, there should be like a boy, a girl, or two
Oh,
boys,
me-
two girls.
Wait lang, what do you mean by hairstyling?
Like if it's
Styling
like
or cutting.
You don't know.
Hindi, kasi
Everything.
I know how to make yung mga slashes ganon. Tsaka yung mga dash and the haircut.
ako alam kung paano yung...
I can make them bald.
Manicure, pedicure, marunong rin ako.
Lol.
Hindi ako.
Kawawa
Saan
yung-
nga?
yung
Massage.
ingrown.
Yeah, I can massage.
Sa girl. Sino naman sa girl sa hairstyle? Me.
Christine.
Si Ivory.
Oh, Vibery.
Ah, Christine.
Hindi ko
Tapos si
alam.
Ate Mai.
Ano
Sige,
siya?
let's-
Cut. Marunong ako mag-cut.
Mani pedi.
Kasi naturuan ako ng halo ko before.
Mani pedi. Ano?
Wait, let's,
Ah.
ano pa? Timay Mai.
Diba dito ka?
Hindi, ano?
Pero sabay tayo lahat.
Hairstyle.
Gitna si mama.
Hairstyle.
Ano yan?
Our room is way
Styling di.
Ano mga ganyan?
Cut na yan?
Ganun.
Ay, gusto nila.
Uy, cut na yan.
Oo.
Cutting lang man yung alam ko. Hindi ano.
Yeah,
kasi may barber
kulot-kulot.
shop.
Oh, it's okay pag may assign sa cutting, may assign sa yung braid.
Kaya rin yung bread.
Sa kanya lang.
Yeah.
Sa kanya yung mag-straight,
Coffee.
kulot. Tsaka yung mga everything and everything and everything.
Everything.
Si Edward marunong sa hairstyling. Kasi, hanggang ano.
I can
Basta marunong ako mag,
Bro,
I've
never
yung
cut hair in my life. I only cut my
manicure.
hair when my sister got gum stuck
Basta
in
kid,
it. That's
ano
it.
lang ako. Manicure. Kasi nga, meron kaming parlor
Foot and
before.
hands pa.
Christian.
Yung. Yung.
Si yung...
I can
Oh,
help.
yeah.
I can help out with the spa.
Oh, yun.
Alam
Yung
ko.
and Edward.
Yeah, yung.
Oh, so.
Oh, pero I think naka-ano yan tayo. Parang ninja ano.
Mark,
Oh.
we just take off our shirts, okay? And
Yung mga tao.
hello, my name is Enrique.
Hindi kasi noon
Who's
may
Edo?
restaurant. Makeup! Mga tao. Kisses.
Oh, as in, totoong...
Oo. Lang dami.
Wait,
You want?
you're putting your feet,
And
hair,
minutes.
makeup, and everything else in the hands
Mahal
of a
ng
bunch of
haircut basta.
teenagers.
Makeup.
This could go
Pero-
horribly wrong.
Foot and hands pa. Yan. Mga...
Ay, sino sa hot oil? Eh, kung wala niya.
Anong hot oil?
Sino si Edo?
Kisses.
Si Edward.
Yung hot oil,
Edo.
ilalagay mo
Edo.
I-wrap lang nila sa
If walang gusto, okay.
Oh, kisses na lang daw hot oil hair spa.
What's hot?
They put the cooking oil on the hair, then they fry it. And then
Fried
And then it's crispy.
crispy.
Fried hair.
It's ukoy! The hair is gonna be ukoy.
Teka.
I'm dead.
Manicure, pedicure.
Ate,
Yeah, I'll probably cut their nails too short and they'll be angry.
Pero, hindi ako marunong yung gano'n na yung
yun sa side.
sasagot, yung sugat-sugat.
Gusto ko sana, pero palapat na yun ah. Cleaning lang naman, ano?
Hindi, besh, including na kasi cleaning yung
yeah,
side.
It's included in manicure, pedicure.
Like cleaning their nails and their feet, not cleaning up.
Ayun.
So,
Sige,
good luck
kami
sa
ni
may
Ate
mga
Mai.
fungus. And
Yeah, please.
Basta
Can I cleaning and the
hindi
manicure
ko alam
pedicure
yung
go
sa
before
Ingrid.
the
Ako
hands spa?
alam mo yun?
Ganun lang.
I mean,
Pero hindi ko yung sa gilid.
yung may brush sa side.
Yun lang, ganun lang.
Tinatayo na yung corner.
so, Heaven, you have to.
I have to.
Pwede man to?
Pwede ako.
Yeah, pwede, pero should have a port.
O, go ako sa hot oil din. Para hot ko sa case.
Ako go rin ako sa foot and hands spa.
Yes. Marco should do the foot and hand spa too.
Oo, si Marco na lang.
Yeah, because I think Marco should do it as well.
Oo.
Yeah, parang people
Marco.
will love
Marco, yeah, well,
Hanson.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, patingin po.
can we ask? Can we ask for tips or?
Yeah.
Hey, I'll give you my phone number for an extra.
5 na lang kami haircut.
Ay, Yong, no.
Yeah.
Yong will teach you na lang.
I'm not
How
that bad.
to-
Alright, chill.
Yeah.
Vi, pwede po ko sa money. Kay
You
Boko ka
touch
ng...
Pangu.
Haircut.
Then I'll make sure to
Doon na lang ako.
make sure I
Pwede
say
din ako
hello
sa
to your
haircut.
little friend.
Haircut.
Ano ka wala manicure, uy?
Manicure, pedicure.
Hairstyle.
Ay, oo, kabalo. Kabalo ka ng ingro-ingro.
Young and I will
Ayun
work
na.
together
Ayun
a
ang
lot.
hilig
So.
ko.
Madami kaya? Kung madami, pwede na.
Parang
Kung kailangan
pwede sa hairstyle,
20,000.
di ba?
Kung madami.
All
Pwede
around.
na ako sa
400
hair.
euros, man.
Hot oil.
Actually, pwede ko tabi.
Ano?
Kasi kung ganun ka na.
Oo nga, tulong-tulungan.
Love you, mom.
Tulong, ano lang, parang kailangan lahat may part kasi.
Sige na ako dun sa hot oil. Pero
Tulungan na lang ba?
ay manicure. If in case na kailangan niya ng tulong. Parang ganun.
What's weaker?
Sa'yo mo kasi si ate
So, did everyone have
Kasali ka sa mga
Mahina?
Like if I'm massaging someone.
So, in here,
Kayo dalawa.
Vibe, ikaw, saan ka?
If I say it's the
Wala
person.
pa. Everything. Maybe I can switch.
Okay.
Ang lakas.
Ang lakas ng ulo.
Si Rita takot sa kulong.
Nagsinungaling ka na.
Okay, dito.
Ha? Best friend.
Hello, si Rita. Mabilis tayo sa ganyan. Kasi 20K.
Oh, what do we name it?
mabilis talaga dapat.
Ano?
Although, pag
So we will
mabilis,
meet
it won't
people.
be maganda.
May isipan
So we will
Yeah, I don't think they expect amazing from us, but
Yeah.
Ilan na ba tayo? 1, 2, 3, 10, di ba? Aray.
So, in hairstyling, what must we do?
Meron kami part
Yung sa'yo,
pangalan, Elsa.
ano yun? Yung cut.
Gaylor na.
Yung side na ganun-ganun chuchu.
Ahit yun, di ba?
Lorna
Oo,
Lizel,
ahit,
anak
ahit,
niya. El sila lahat.
Ahit Ecrouge.
Tapos si Papa Joe.
Ano may pangalan tayo
Yung
dapat
anak
sa
niya
salon
lalaki,
natin?
Joey.
Putulin mo nandito
Sa
muna.
jail, lahat
Parang
lalaki.
may machine na.
Buti mo eh, babalik.
Sumugot
Para
kay Papa
mag-style.
Ron.
Ikaw.
Pag mahaba yun dito, puputol ba yan?
I guess eh.
Pwede rin sa
Sinaway mo ko. Grabe mo.
Yeah, kung gusto nyo tumulong and then,
Oh, if
like,
they
What's
need
something to do
help,
with that?
yeah,
Yes,
pag
perhaps.
no,
Do you
pag
offer-
maraming
No, something like anything.
which is
working with this area.
expected.
Christine,
can
braid.
undercut
Braid, tapos,
and,
bal.
ano pa?
Kung may curl, yun, curl straight. Turuan mo ako mag-curl para
sige.
mabilis na naman yun, di ba?
Uy, I want to help yung yung mga machine sa
Yeah.
paa.
Braiding, curling, ganun.
Si Maymay, cut rin.
Cut.
Ay,
Bakit kinapunta kay Vibery yan?
Kasi yung buhok
Kalimutan ko yung gano'n.
Ah!
Kasi siguro boyish yung Vibery.
wait. Irons.
Yun, iron.
Apex. No.
Iron.
Ironing.
Gusto ko manicure din.
Marco, every time, like, this is our dream, man.
My
we have a
eye,
chance.
ate,
We can
my
finally
eye.
open our store
Cutting.
where we compliment them, feed
For
them,
girls
and massage them
only.
at the same time.
Yeah, with Arizona. How was your first
Oh,
costume?
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
Edo,
No, we were
Pwede
making-
kita
Yes.
tulungan doon sa mga
What?
braid.
For balls.
What do you mean? I can put wax in their hair.
For bald.
waxing.
Cutting.
Waxing. Oh, I will.
Sa akin, cutting for boys.
Hey, that counts as hairstyling if I like wax their legs.
Poker face.
5,000 each, so tapos
I think paglagay ng cutie.
feel ko nandyan yung
Yung-
presyo.
Wait,
Cutting
Marco
for
will do the hair waxing with me.
Mura lang talaga.
Pero dapat for the...
Because Marco, no, I need to consult Marco if it looks good or not.
Pahirapan niya ng konti.
And then, I can do it undercut
So
and
dapat,
shave.
ha, gusto niya
Hair.
ganito. Hala, ang ganda nito.
Hair
Try niya. Cut. Hindi, promise, pag ano niya, pag try niya, ganito, ganyan. Sige na, bigay ko phone number. Tapos mali.
Then, foot and
Feel ko ngayon na tayo magsisimula.
Oo.
Sana.
Magsisimula na eh.
Sana.
Ano na?
Cut. Napatay na. Guys, sana wala tayong
Wait, may
sugat.
nomination tayo today. So.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be today. I think we get to prepare today, but
No, please.
foot in yung.
yeah,
Yung
self-explanatory.
mga
Really, it's just
alam mo,
massage.
Yung salt
Massaging them.
nilalagay sa hand.
You teach me how to do feet, okay? Because I don't know how to do feet.
Pwede
Yung mga
mag-manicure. Lagay ng
Sa paa.
nail polish. Gusto ko.
Yung milk salt.
Oh, can we put cucumbers on their eyes just for events?
Oo nga, yung nakaganon sila. No?
Hello.
Massage, same as yung.
Vibrate, pwede maglagay din
No.
ng nail polish.
Yung wala ko sa ahit chuchu yung ano.
It's just basically young times two.
Tsaka yung chik.
Ay, wait. What if we can pluck their eyebrows?
It's gonna take too long. I don't think we
I
should
can
offer
do
that.
it.
Hindi, syempre, kasama na sa makeup yun.
Makeup.
Kasi sa ibang salon separate yung
Marco lang.
shaving of dagdag kita.
After mo ng hair. Oo.
Dagdag kita kung
So, ilagay natin sa ilalim ng makeup yung ahit ng
Guys,
kilay.
Extra.
Guys,
Extra.
But yung shaving under rin sa styling kasi pagkatapos
it's
nila
already part of it.
Wait, kailangan
Library?
din ng ano.
When we have the salon, can we put
Oo.
the foot and hand spot
Sino
after
magaling
the
sa
manicure?
Vibrary here?
Accountancy ang course ko po.
No, see.
I thought it's before.
Pero kailangan
Yeah, no,
guys!
What if someone wants a manicure and then afterwards they want a massage?
Yeah.
Can we put the manicure
No,
first?
I'm gonna...
Yeah, I think
No,
that-
ayoko. I
So
need a
like some
break
guys
from my
wait in line
course.
for like 3 hours.
Si Mama.
I need a break from my
And then
Someone who loves math should do it.
Yeah.
I hate math.
Who
Makeup.
loves math?
give me a language. I'll do
I
it.
love but I don't know how.
Accountancy course ni.
Fancy. Hindi, tapos pag para hindi tayo mawala, pati keep track tayo sa ating mga customers, i-list down natin.
No, I don't wanna...
Christine,
Later,
listen to
pag
that.
tapos mo na.
It's actually just simple math. So anyone who loves
Vibrary.
math, loves adding
Sa makeup,
things.
lagay mo yung, yung tawag.
Someone na
Kilay,
ako
chak, chak, chak.
mag-calcule.
Yung pag-ahit mo ng kilay.
Marco makeup.
Actually, hindi plucking yung ano na lang.
Marco makeup.
Ahit. Oo, ahit.
Mas madali yun.
Marco makeup.
Sa makeup?
Marco makeup.
Oo, si Marco kasi nung nilagay si
There
vegan.
must be a sign.
Heaven.
Napatay na.
Ano sa-
Bukbog tayo.
Kilay.
Customer.
Pag-ahit ng kilay.
Akala ko si Marco gagawa.
Sa girl.
Girl shave ni Marco.
Bless you.
Lalaki yung kain niya.
Sa lalaki ka.
Hindi, pati dapat pag lalaki.
Alam mo yung kilay kung
boy to
paano.
boy.
Ako, sige.
Ah, ikaw sa girl, sa boy.
Yeah, I think the makeup should be the main thing.
Lug yung kalbo.
Pero I don't think may magpapapluck ng buhok sa lalaki.
Guys, should I put Marco in brackets though? Because
shave.
he's doing a lot. And like the...
Pwede doing ano.
I want to
Yeah.
help
Me, I'm
nail
doing
polish.
3. Hairstyling,
It's a good thing, but
cutting,
help it.
and manicure.
We'll have
I'm
doing
doing
virtual.
Kasi feeling ko wala madaming
Hand spots are pretty
magpapa-makeup.
quick, you know?
Vibrary.
Neither is
More
the-
on haircut
Yeah.
than styling ng buhok.
Alam mo yun sa girls, ang dami ko nakikita sa Facebook yung mga
yung
style,
sa
yung may ganon, may yung binugat.
May mga
So, si
flower
Marco.
dito.
Guys, Viber's talking.
Yes, Pai?
I'm not talking though. Continue.
Have a fun.
Finish. Great. Finish.
After yung swimming, sakit na.
Vibrary, nail polish
Sa
ako.
arms.
Bread.
Then makeup.
So, makeup.
Eyebrows for boys and shave.
Wait.
Inuubos mo yung pabango ko, huwag mong amuyin.
Ay, grabe.
There's a hole.
Kisses your makeup. What's...
Makeup, nail polish, tapos...
Paano kung mga
Account.
makeup talaga?
No, I shouldn't expect.
Ano lang para mas feel ko, wag. Kasi baka... Iba yung mga... Ayaw ko na mag-taste na.
Then suddenly you shaved all of their eyebrows.
Surprise! You remember me?
Ano shave?
Pero...
Hindi, ganito hindi
Yeah!
dito para child
That's it.
cake.
Eyebrow.
Problemado ka sa buhay mo, tapos ikaw magano ng kilay shave.
Oh, shaving.
Yeah.
Finish. Makeup everything.
Oh, ako rin naman.
Shaving everything.
Ate,
Tuturuan kita?
oh,
Sige.
mamaya. Sino
Kakat
yung
yung ano.
model?
No problema.
Malaki na po. Anong style gusto niyo? V?
Wait! Di ba yung makeup maraming parang yung fierce?
Tuturuan ko.
Anong iba-iba ng pressure?
Siya, alam mo
What if a
yan.
guy sits down? It's like, make me
Makeup different.
Smoky, alam mo yun.
Smoky.
Oo, smoky, tapos...
Yung ginawa ko
Ah, tayo na lahat girls dyan. Parang...
Yung ginawa ko kayo. Mahal na yun.
Black yung eyeshadow.
Yung makeup ginawa ko sa'yo.
Grabe, parang hindi kaibigan, patay.
Grabe nung nilagyan niya si Yung, hindi mo na makita yung totoong mukha niya. Parang ganito kakapal yung makeup na nilagyan ni Marco.
Tatakbo na yung customer.
yung makeup ni Kuya Makoy, yung
You guys
bilog
know
na
what to
makeup ni Kuya Makoy, may botas na sa gitna dahil kay Marco. Grabe boy.
Nagme-makeup si Kuya Makoy.
Kasi pag sa mga
Screening.
Kisses, hot oil, or hair spa?
Hair spa.
Hot oil.
Tulong ako dyan, hot oil. Madali lang hot oil.
lang sobra. Lalagay mo lang.
Pareho lang naman.
Massage lang siya.
Both.
this way.
Lisod. Grabe.
Ivory.
Po?
Hair spa, hot
We did
oil.
the best. Diba?
Oh.
You're the best leader.
Paano ba hair
Product
spa?
lang yan. Product lang yan.
Yung
mean, everyone can do
ng
this.
ulo.
No.
Ganun din yung sarap.
You don't like
Funny. So funny, Marco. You're so funny. You're so funny. You're so funny.
Heaven both?
Yep. Pero hindi, hot oil na lang. Hot oil.
What did they do? I'm
Dali
serious.
lang
What
hot
did they
oil.
do with the hot oil?
You put it in your hair.
They just put it in your hair. What if it burns you? Like,
No, it won't.
Then you become
Parang
Warm.
ganun. Parang
No, it's
fresh.
cold. Actually, it's cold.
Hot oil or hair spa or both?
how is it hot oil if it's cold?
I mean, your feeling is cold.
Oh, so it's like menthol. Oh, does not make sense.
Wait.
So, makikita, magkakameron tayo sa bahay ni Kuya.
Here, kasi,
20,000 tao.
20,000
Bakit
pesos
piso lang ang bayad sa'yo pagpaputol ng buhok? Marco, please.
My. Cleaning.
I still can't get the difference between please na may
Heaven!
Sarap. Manicure.
Please yung may eat, pati please na wala.
Please, parang hindi mo makukuha lahat ng tao, hindi mo mawapa.
Buff.
Parang hindi mo mapapakita ng ganun yung sarili mo.
Hindi mo sila ma-entertain
Please.
na parang.
Oo, yun.
Yung please mo lang i sa dulo.
Yun yun. Yun yun.
Hindi, like you can please everyone. May
nga.
hindi ako marunong. Yung walang i yung dulo.
I know when we do this,
Hindi, ang
there's gonna
please,
be
di ba yung
someone.
pwede ba? Please. Gina, please.
Ay, sarap.
Ay, ewan, mahirap.
Mahirap
Christian,
na.
manicure?
Yung
Go,
cut.
Cut
Christian.
the nails.
Ako nail polish.
Cut oh. Ha? Christian?
Trim the nails rather.
Ha?
Isasaw mo yung fingers
Yun na nga yan,
sa...
manicure na yan.
Nail polish.
Kuya, pwede please exorcism.
Pedicure ka.
Oh,
Hey,
pedicure
bro,
ka
there's
na.
Amarillo over there.
Pedicure ka.
Yak, ayoko ng paa.
Christian, pwede ka na.
Okay.
Ano lang, nail polish lang ako sa kamay.
Bakit? Anong difference sa paa? Yung hawak ng paa? Ano ba yan?
Nagka-trauma siya kay Ate Mai.
Paano yan? Eh, di magkaiba yung magkaiba yung itsura ng
Kamay,
nail
pati
polish
paa.
sa kamay at sa paa.
Di malay mo yun.
Oy, Ate Mai,
Alam
ano
mo,
mo
baka
iniisip
mas
mo?
maninis yung pa ako
Diba?
sa
Ano
kamay.
iniisip mo?
Si ano eh, lahat na lang. Si Christine, patin kita eh.
Are you doing the plane?
Yeah.
Di inisip ko kung paano gagawin.
Yung nagkalibang.
Ito.
Yak!
Ay, sarap ko pa muna.
It's the best job ever, man.
Yeah. Ever watched B-movie?
Yeah.
Oh my god. The best movie ever. The B became a lawyer.
Oh, that, yeah.
Enrique.
And his friend lost his stinger. And they replaced it with plastic
With like
sword.
the plastic sword. Yeah.
If I remember it correctly,
Hindi ko masugot.
Yeah.
Ayun lang, di
Masugot ko.
Nya, ribbon.
Kuya, please, I'm begging you.
Oh, I
Pero
found
kulo.
ano na.
Okay, guys, laro tayo ulit.
I think dapat meron tayong like menu. I mean,
Yup. Yung how much? Hindi, depende
Yeah,
sa kuya.
Depend ba kay kuya? Kung
Hindi, pero ngayon parang siguro.
Now you're sitting on my lapel, girl.
How much?
Sige.
Haircut, 60 pesos.
Only?
Yeah! Special service by Kuya's Helpmates.
70 na.
It's too much.
60 pesos?
Bebay!
Sa babae?
Sa babae ba na 300, ganun.
Wait, we must be...
Oy, hindi 60 pesos yung haircut.
We must be some more practical.
Oo, 50 pesos nga lang ako. 350 yung haircut.
350.
Oh,
Are you kidding?
350 pag pupunta ka sa
People are gonna pay
salon.
350
Ay, sa
for
mga
you.
talagang kilalang salon.
Oo, pero...
Guys, 500 pesos, you get everything.
Oo. 500.
Full treatment.
Hindi yung 500.
Hindi, wait. No, let's be practical.
Ano pa?
Paano na yung 50 yung haircut?
50 lang yung 50. Hindi, yung haircut talaga, sinuwalang.
Hindi haircut for boys.
Wait, let's start from hairstyling.
I'll do this afterwards.
Yeah, hindi. Just
Hindi, dito muna para iba yung dito. Yung menu na natin dito.
Ang mahal kaya ng haircut.
Sugar, organized.
pag mahal, pag
Because when I
binasa mo
write-
na, in lower mo.
Parang scrambled din i-arrange
Such a
mo.
mess. Yeah, such a mess though.
Yung may wash daw, yung mahal.
Pero pag walang wash,
Sa amin yung wash.
900.
50 lang. Hindi, yung
For
ano lang,
spa,
haircut,
not exactly.
simpleng haircut.
boys yan ah.
Guys, we have to remember we don't have
Ganito lang,
unlimited time.
Wait, may isang pang board dito, oh.
Menu.